Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can stabilize a shaky video on CapCut. So if you got an unstable video and you want to make it more steady, you can just edit it on CapCut, and here's how to do it. So I've already imported a little bit shaky video on CapCut, and what you need to do is just click on the video, and then here swipe the menu at the bottom until you find the option stabilize. Click on that option, and there will be three options: minimal cropping, recommended, and most stable. I'm going to just use the most stable one. Then click on a check icon and let CapCut do its magic. Okay, so now the stabilize has been applied, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on thanks. Thank you.